Hey there, this is my Instant App Atlas template. And in this case, I'm calling it the Fantasy and Fiction Atlas. And I've got some maps in here. I'll open my base map. Open my map up, and I can pick out a Bigfoot biome map. So it's going to draw a map inside of my atlas. Kind of cool, right? It also looks a lot like National Geographic MapMaker because National Geographic MapMaker is also built with the same Instant Atlas app template, which is called Atlas. So one thing I like to do is build my own maps, and in this particular case, I've created a map of a playground at a neighboring school that I want to be able to share with my kids. Except I don't want this tool to show the map. It's not the vibe I'm looking for. I want it to be in that Atlas style interface that we just saw. One way I can do that is I can copy and paste this URL to my map inside of a text pad. And so I'll drop it in here, and you'll notice that the URL has this thing where it says web map equals, and there's a string of letters and numbers. If I copy that string of letters and numbers, that is the unique identifier to my map in ArcGIS Online. Now what I can do is essentially overload, if you will, my atlas by replacing part of the URL in Atlas. So in my Atlas, I see app ID equals with a string, and then I also see an ampersand web map equals with another string of letters and numbers. I can delete the string behind the web map equals and replace it with the string from my playground map. And when I do that, my playground map is going to load inside of my Atlas template. So there you go. That's how you overload an Atlas template with your own custom map. I can now take this URL and share it out to anybody I want, like all of the kids in my class.